How to change language in Bolt app. Want to use Bolt in your preferred language? Here's how to change it in just few taps. First, open your Bolt app and tap your profile icon to access settings. Scroll down until you find the language option. Tap on it and you will see a full list of supported languages from English to local options depending on your region. Select the one you want and the app will instantly reload in your chosen language. If you don't see your preferred language, try updating the app. Bolt often adds new ones in newer versions. If your app keeps switching back automatically, check your phone's system language. Bolt sometimes syncs with that setting. Which language do you use Bolt in? Drop your answer in the comments below. And that's how you can change language in Bolt app. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.